Jack A4 adopted the German advanced industrial design concept, creating a streamlined blue closed-loop model in high style and unique. The unique panel design is comfortable, beautiful, and concise. The new cooling fan makes sewing machine performance more stable. The stitch dial is chrome plating processed, attractive and durable, and the lock device is better to use. Reverse lever adopt a new position for reserve lever, which can avoid oil leakage and looks more beautiful. Integrated control box design on the backside makes machine more beautiful. USB port, which is initiated in sewing machine industry, it's safe and convenient. Besides, entertainment and work can be at the same time with this design. A4, the first speaking sewing machine in the world. Each button has voice reminder. Each operation has voice guide.
Hello, welcome to use Jack's sewing machine. Wish you a happy work.
And the voice guide can be with different optional language. Jack A4 further expand the sewing area, not only for single light material, but also suitable for medium and heavyweight materials. A4 can use like different machine. A4 panel, one-touch access. No worry anymore for memorized parameters, easy to learn and easy to use. A4 encourage operators to use all the features, no longer need to worry about misuse. One key can back to the factory reset to solve the various issues of the sewing process. Jack A4 friendly design. Powerful field needle function can move a needle but also make up half stitch. Manual reverse feed function. Push the button to complete the reverse stitching process. 3 adjustable LED lights. Jack A4 have USB socket, which was initiated in industrial sewing machine industry. This USB socket can connect small fan, which can make the worker's working environment more comfortable. What's more, this USB socket can also be used to upgrade the machine in the future. The fan with big air can reduce the motor temperature and extend the using life of the machine. Jack Intelligent Automatic Production Line, total investment 120 million yuan. It is the most advanced, rigid flexible machine production line currently in industrial sewing machine industry. This intelligent automatic production line ensures the quality of Jack machines.